Leaks, speculation, and rumors have been swirling around GoPro and its flagship product, the Hero, as well as anticipation over new product launches that were planned for 2022. During its Q4 shareholder meeting, the CEO announced plans for 4 new products in 2022.
At the end of 2022, we plan to increase our hardware offering from the 2 product types we have today, Hero and Max, to 4 distinct camera products. And we expect to expand that further by the end of 2023.
The Max and Hero are the foundation of GoPro's product line. In April, they released the Black Bones, which is a camera specifically meant for FPV drones. So that means we should have 1 more product coming. The smart money is going to be on an elite or professional model camera. So what's the plan for the Hero 11 Black? We know every year they make upgrades, and this is not going to be any different. As the release date approaches, here are some of the upgrades that we're anticipating. The Hero 10 Black has a resolution of 5.3K at 60 frames per second. It's anticipated that the 11 will be at a minimum of 5.7K, maybe push 6K at 30 frames per second. The 10 shoots slow-mo in 4K at 120 frames per second. It's possible that the 11 will shoot slow-mo at 4K at 240 frames per second. We could potentially see a larger sensor. One reason GoPro might do this because the action camera market is becoming super competitive, and DJI and Insta360 aren't playing around. DJI has an action camera with a 1/1.7 inch size sensor, and Insta360 has a camera that has dual 1-inch sensors. A larger sensor would dramatically improve GoPro's low light performance, which is something I know I really want to see. A larger sensor may mean a slightly bigger body design, but to me, that'd be worth it. GoPro can't risk falling behind the competition in the action camera arms race. If this video's been helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss my next one. Another potential design change we can see is an edge-to-edge display. GoPro unveiled its GP2 processor last year with the release of the 10, so it's unlikely that we'll see a new processor this year. Most likely we'll see software and performance improvements as they try to get the most out of the GP2 processor. They continue to improve the HyperSmooth. HyperSmooth 4.0 was really nice, so we'll see what they do with maybe a HyperSmooth 5.0. Let me know in the comments what features or improvements you want to see in the Hero 11 Black. I know on the top of my GoPro wish list is to fix the heating issues. It's so frustrating when you think you have the perfect shot, you go back and see the camera shut off due to overheating, or maybe it didn't even start recording. Super frustrating. Next, I really want to see a way to connect an external mic without the media mod. I got the media mod and it was just nothing but headaches for me. My GoPro wouldn't read it, and it basically was junk. When it comes to price, it's anticipated that it'll be $500 cheaper if you sign up for their subscription program. When can we get our hands on the Hero 11 Black? The good news, we shouldn't have to wait much longer. Based on the previous launch cycle, we should be seeing it in mid-September. For more GoPro info, click the end screen now.